everyone, and thank you for watching. Today I wanted to do a what's in my Ipsy Glam bag. This is the Sparkle Season. It's this really cute, sparkly clutch. It has this gold handle and a little zip. Let's see what's inside. First, we have the Hey Honey Come Clean Propolis Mineral Facial Scrub. It's a perfect little travel size for a face scrub. Come here, Pappy. Come here, Pappy. This is Pappy. He's a good man. Then we have the Galactic Perfect Pair Eyeliner Duo. Okay. So there must be two in here. Let's see what we got. Ooh, okay. So it looks like a longwear eyeliner. Ooh, this is super buttery. Love this. It's more like a cool tone brown. And then, oh my gosh, no way, a brown liquid felt tip. That is exciting. Next is the Your Eyes Only 9 Pigment Half Caked Palette. Look at this, it's like a little floppy disk. Super cute, got some pinks, a lot of shimmers. Ooh. Then we have the Ante Makeup Cleansing Oil from Frank Body. Ooh, I love a cleansing oil. It's the best to get off waterproof mascara. Oh, the packaging is neat. It's like a matte pink. Cute. It has no smell. It literally smells like grapeseed oil, which I'm pretty sure grapeseed oil. That's exactly what's in it. Then we have, ooh, a little brush. Cute. There's no brand. There is. It is the Miss Glam powder brush. It's got these little crystals, a little synthetic brush. This would be perfect for like swooping the under eye. Very cute. I love this pink color. And that is what was in my Sparkle Season Ipsy Glam bag. If you like this video, please leave me a comment. Let me know what you want to see next. Please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.